Joining audios in Audacity. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to combine two audio tracks on the same track in Audacity. I'll demonstrate the quickest method. Enjoy editing videos. This channel has other related content. Subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always making videos to help you out. Alright, let's get started. I'll show you the fastest way I do this to merge two audio files into a single track. First, let me add another audio track. Click on File, then click Import Audio. I'll pick any audio file. It'll automatically appear on the track below. What next? Now I have two tracks. I'll grab the lower one. See how the cursor changes to a hand icon when I hover? When you see a hand icon, folks, your mouse turns into it. Click and hold. Press and hold. Notice the hand closes, indicating it's grabbed. Watch this, guys. When I do it, you'll see the icon's hand close. I'll click and hold. Hands closed, showing it's locked. Don't release. Now drag the audio up. Look here, I've pulled the audio to another track above. You can quickly drag it up, merging into one track. Click the arrow below to delete the lower track. I'll close it. Now I have just one track up here. How do I combine them? Folks, you need to join the two audio tracks. Imagine putting 10 audio tracks up here without joining them. Each time you drag a track, drag another to join them. To join the two tracks automatically, it's easy. You'll merge this track with the other one. The audio files will combine, but it's not fixed yet. I've joined them, but they're not merged. To merge, move your mouse to the intersection. So I'm at the intersection of the two audio tracks. Move your cursor here. When you see the arrow pointer like this, just click once, and it'll join the two audio tracks into a single track. In this video, you learned how to merge audio tracks in Audacity. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care, God bless, and thanks.